Hi there, and welcome to eConcordia, your gateway to online credited courses at Concordia University. Whether you're joining from on campus or remotely from anywhere in the world, this video will help you understand how eConcordia works, how to register for courses, and what you can expect as a student here. What is eConcordia? eConcordia is the official online platform where Concordia University offers fully online for credit courses. These courses meet the same academic standards and deadlines as regular classroom classes and count toward your degree just like any other course. How eConcordia courses work. Here's what you need to know about how eConcordia courses operate. Most eConcordia courses are asynchronous, which means you don't have fixed class times. You can study when it suits you. Each course is designed to match the pace of a regular term, usually 12 to 15 weeks, with suggested weekly study loads and sometimes scheduled online presence. You'll use econcordia.com to access lessons, submit assignments, participate in discussions, and track your progress. How to register. Ready to sign up? Here's how registration works. You must first be a registered student at Concordia University. eConcordia itself cannot register you for courses. Log in to the Student Hub, your Concordia online student portal. Search for online courses labeled EC or Online EC and enroll just like you would for any other class. While you can register for your course during the regular registration period, you can only activate your course starting at 2 p.m. on the first day of each semester. Fees and payment. When you take an eConcordia course, your regular Concordia tuition applies. These courses are part of the normal university curriculum, so the tuition you already pay as a Concordia student covers the academic credit for the course. However, some courses require an additional course material fee. This fee is not tuition. It's a separate charge for essential learning resources the instructor or department has chosen for the course. These can include access to third-party learning tools or specialized software, ebooks or interactive online textbooks, other essential course materials needed to complete the class. You'll only be asked to pay this fee if your specific course requires it, and you'll see the amount clearly when you activate your course on eConcordia. How to access your courses. Log in to eConcordia with your Concordia NetName and password. Once your course is activated, it will appear in your eConcordia portal, and you can open it directly from your course list. Course navigation. Each eConcordia course is organized to keep everything easy to find, with weekly agendas, course materials, assignments, and evaluations all in one place. Use the breadcrumbs navigation at the top of the page to see where you are and quickly move back to previous sections. Breadcrumbs show your location within the course structure. Use the collapsible drawers and side navigation to open or hide course tools and content blocks so you can focus on what you need. Our navigation system is designed to make moving between course areas simpler and more flexible. Communication tools. Your course may include announcements, discussion forums, and messaging sections to help you stay connected with classmates, teaching assistants, and instructors. You can also manage who can message you and choose how forum updates are delivered. Assessments. Assessments are easy to locate from the course layout and the assessment area, where you can check instructions, opening and closing dates, and time limits. You can also view released grades from inside the course or from your overall grades menu. Additional features. You can personalize your experience by updating your user profile and adjusting your notification preferences from the user menu. Notification settings let you control which course updates you receive by email or on the platform. You can also use the calendar and course agendas to keep track of important dates, deadlines, and upcoming activities, helping you stay organized throughout the semester. Accessibility. eConcordia courses are designed with accessibility in mind, including color contrast that meets accessibility standards, closed captioning and transcripts for video and audio, and alt text for images and charts. Students with specific accessibility needs can also contact the Help Desk, which works with instructors and Concordia's Access Center for students with disabilities to support accommodation. Questions? If you have questions about your course or need technical support, email us at helpdesk@econcordia.com or try our chatbot on the lower right side of the eConcordia website for quick answers to many questions about us. Tips. Plan your time. Most students spend about 4 to 6 hours per course per week. Check your course outline early and know your assignments and due dates. Log in regularly. Success in online learning comes from being consistent. We're excited to have you here. Welcome to eConcordia, and best of luck with your studies.